Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert background right in our Microsoft Publisher. As I can see right here, this is a Microsoft Publisher. You're creating a design, but you wanted to add a background to it, just to give it a little, touch up. But oh, you're going to come all the way up. You notice it said page design. Now when you click on page design, they're going to come all the way here. Now when you come right there, if you notice right here, I'll show you background, you're gonna click right here. Now when you click on background, this is what you will see. Notice each one I put it on. You notice right over here, you notice it show up. You notice you give it a nice texture right there. Like that. You notice you give it a nice blue, a nice texture just like that. So if you notice, this is exactly how it looks. So this is where you actually add the background right here in Microsoft template. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.